Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Felix Gonzales, and I'd like to present to you a compound molecule worthy of Hero Molecule of the Year. My nomination is malic acid. Some may know it has the ingredient that gives a sour flavor like that of an apple. But there's much more to malic acid than a tart taste in food. So what is exactly malic acid? It's made of 4 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 5 oxygens. Its molecular mass is 134.09 grams per mole. Malic acid is an alkene with 2 stereoisomers, L and D enantiomers, with only the L enantiomer occurring naturally. Malic acid is formed from succinic acid that has had a hydrogen replaced by a hydroxy group. Malic acid can also be formed from pyruvate and become malate when ionized. Malic acid occurs as a stable solid crystal structure that can be translucent to white. The compound is soluble in water and has a tart taste. According to NIST, malic acid has an undeterminable boiling point and melting point of 130 degrees Celsius. Its decomposition point is between 225 degrees Celsius and 235 degrees Celsius. The compound powder is classified as an irritant to the skin, eyes, and respiration system. Given direct contact with the concentrate, you may need to irrigate or take some kind of action to cleanse. In the presence of direct high temperatures, it is slightly flammable and combustible. In the presence of fire, it is considered flammable. A compound similar to malic acid is citric acid. It serves a similar function in metabolism for humans, as well as adds a sour taste to food. Its structure is similar to that of malic acid as well, with an increase of carbons and hydrogens. While malic acid is amazing in many ways, it does have a few drawbacks. One of them being its release of harmful fumes upon combustion. Malic acid is toxic to some animals when exposed to very high concentrated doses, and is also an irritant when given direct contact. Another drawback is that it can increase enamel erosion in your teeth if you drink too many sodas, juices, wines, and other products containing high amounts of malic acid. So where does malic acid come from? Carl Wilhelm Scheele was the first to isolate malic acid from apple juice in 1785. Malic acid exists in large amounts and comes from many different plant sources, along with being created in labs for industrial purposes. Malic acid is naturally derived from plants and has a major role in photosynthetic plants that use C4 and Chem process as part of the Krebs cycle. C4 plants utilize the ionized malic acid known as malate. It occurs in a large variety of fruits and vegetables, with the most notable being apples and blackberries. Malic acid can be found in many markets today. It occurs naturally in fruits and vegetables and is used in many products that require preservatives. Being discovered, malic acid is a chemical compound used greatly around the world. It's classified as the top 12 building blocks chemicals used in many of the industries. It's used in skin products, food products, and other industrial needs. So if you have a sweet tooth like I do, or if you simply appreciate a molecule that serves many important functions in plants and animals, then you'll join me in nominating malic acid as the Molecule Hero of the Year.